Welcome back to the shop. I'm Greg from Masterson's Car Care, and today we're here at the Classic Auto Show in Orange County, California. Now, this is one of the biggest classic auto shows in the United States. There's so many cars. There's classic cars from the 60s, 50s, 40s, even newer stuff from the 70s, 80s, and 90s. So there's so many cool cars here and so many amazing people. Now, right here, we're with one of our coolest cars that we've seen. This is a 1967 Chevrolet Camaro Indy Pace car. Now, these were used as the pace car for the Indianapolis 500 in the 1967 year. They were all convertible, and this one has the 4-speed manual. So we're gonna give it a great shine using our Masterson Ceramic Spray Sealant. Now, technology of detailing is always changing, and here at Masterson's Car Care, we like to stay on the next level. So that's why we developed our Masterson Ceramic Spray Sealant to protect old cars and new cars. So this is the perfect way to give your car high gloss shine, remove dirt, dust, and fingerprints, and give 6 months of protection. Now, you can pick this up right now on our website, mastersonswax.com, where you can get everything you need to get your car looking great. Now, to use our Masterson Ceramic Spray Sealant, all you need is your bottle of ceramic spray sealant and some premium microfiber towels. These are my favorite blue silk line microfiber towels. You can pick these up right now on our website, mastersonswax.com. And the first thing you want to do with your ceramic spray sealant is give it a good shake. Shake it up, and this is going to activate the SiO2 inside of the ceramic spray sealant. Now, once it's on there, go ahead and spray it all over the vehicle. Now, this is going to work on paint, glass, plastic, chrome, stainless steel, all parts of the vehicle. You can even use it on wheels and trim, so if you have plastic or painted trim, this is gonna work great to clean up and protect the trim. Now, once it's on the vehicle, you wanna take your favorite microfiber towel and you wanna massage it into the paint. If you notice how I'm spreading it out on the paint gently. Now, this paint is already clean, so before you apply this to the car, make sure you wash the car to get any heavier dirt and debris off the car. Now, over here in the middle of the car, come over here, guys, there's some fingerprints. You might not be able to see it on the paint on the camera, but I see it right there in the light, so I'm gonna spray it on there, and I'm gonna wipe away the fingerprints and spread out the ceramic spray sealant. Now, once it's spread out on the vehicle, it's actually bonded to the surface, so the ceramic spray sealant is already working on the paintwork. So come in close and check how we do the final wipe. Now, I take my Masterson's microfiber towel, and all I do is just give a light buff down on the paint. Now, this is leveling out the ceramic spray sealant, so it's gonna make a perfectly even finish on this vintage classic car. There we go. Now, just like that, the ceramic spray sealant has been applied. Let's come in close and feel this. Wow, that feels so slick. Like the microfiber towel just slides on this. This is crazy, right? The sliding is great because it's so slick. It just feels like the towel is now gliding on the surface. And that's how easy it is to use the Masterson Ceramic Spray Sealant. You don't have to waste time applying old style ceramic sealants to your car that apply masks and apply small pads. This is easy to use. It sprays on, wipes off, and gives you the best shine and the best protection for any type of vehicle. Now, if you want to pick up our Masterson Ceramic Spray Sealant, hop over to our website, mastersonswax.com, where you get everything you need to get your car looking great. Now, we got a lot more stuff to check out at the Classic Auto Show. So remember, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Now, thanks a lot for viewing, guys, and always remember, have fun, stay clean, and keep on detailing.